Your future is filled with possibilities. At a place with no limits to creativity, no limits to curiosity. Come build your career at Questrade, where you'll make your own path, constantly moving forward, pushing fintech beyond the status quo, designing it, shaping it, growing with it. You will be a part of a collaborative, diverse team that will help you conquer challenges. A team that shares the same sense of infinite possibility, not only for our customers, but for those who build their careers with us. Here, you have unlimited potential. You have the power to build the career you deserve. Come shape your future at Questrade.